Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. You all would not believe what my husband did. He kidnapped my plants. And he really know that I have all my plants on a schedule, but yet he wanted to take my plants and do what he wanted to do to them.
Wait, let me explain.
Okay guys, I'm going to be fair. He wants to explain it, so I'm going to let him explain it to you guys.
Okay, guys, this is what's going on. My wife is accusing me of stealing her plants. I knew she wanted me to repot some plants before the winter. So this is what I decided to do. So I took some of the plants out, repotted them, set them up, made sure they was looking beautiful. Because I know my wife, everything is on a schedule to her. She got a schedule for watering. She got a schedule for doing this and doing that. Everything is on schedule. A calendar date is her best friend. And this is why I needed to get started early, because I cannot wait until the fall of the year to do 50 or 60 plants. Okay guys, here's what I did. After I kidnapped some of her plants, took them outside, realizing that some of the plots had more than one plant in it. So the limelight plant had two in it. I took those out of the 4-inch pot and placed them individually into a 6-inch pot. Instead of her having one limelight, now she has two. So that's a plus on my part. I also took the lemon lime Dracaena that was in 4-inch pots and changed those out into a 6-inch pot. So the next thing I did was took the snake plant that was born in a 6-inch pot. And it's been growing so long till there has a small baby that's coming up also. So I just took those and separated them. I took the baby plant out with the 6-inch pot and placed it into a 4-inch pot so that it would grow by itself. Now she has an additional snake plant added to her collection. Now for the large lemon lime Dracaena. So what I did, I took it out of the 6-inch pot that was 5 inches deep, replaced it into a 6-inch pot that was 10 inches deep, which gave it more room to grow, that it would be able to stand up straight in the middle of the pot. So I followed the exact same procedure on the second large lemon lime Dracaena. Okay, the last plant that I did was the red Maranta. My wife calls this the prayer plant. So I took the red Maranta out of a 4-inch pot and placed it into a 6-inch pot. Then I put the plants back in place into the house in various locations, hoping my wife would be satisfied with the plants the way they turned out, because they are beautiful. So this is why she said that I kidnapped her plants, because I didn't do it according to her schedule.
Oh, my husband explained that so nicely. So I'm no longer upset about him doing it early. I do understand that there was going to be a lot of work for him to do, because the repotting part of my plants was scheduled to be done on the second weekend in September. That's on my calendar, and he's the one that always repot my plants. So with having over 50 plus house plants to repot this year, I do understand why he got started early. So I'm never going to say that he kidnapped them again. I just want to say thanks to him, because he did a wonderful, beautiful job, and I will never complain again. What do you think, guys? Do you think that I overreacted? You can let me know in the comment section. Thank you, honey, for explaining it, and thank you very much for starting on the repotting. I love you very much.
You're welcome, baby. I love you too.
Okay, guys, Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.